All right, good morning guys. Time for another travel day. I feel like I'm saying that a lot lately.
Yeah, it sure is. We didn't have much time in Madrid. It was one of the shortest stays we're gonna have on this entire trip in Europe. We just had 4 nights, but we arrived really late on the first night, so basically just 3 days. Time just flew by. We had so much to do and see, and yeah, we're already hitting the road again. But the good news, for at least for us, is that we have a shorter travel day today.
Yes, an hour and a half, a little over an hour and a half, I believe. We are going to Valencia, and we are going on the high-speed train, I think.
Yeah, it's going to be exciting. It's our first train ride on this trip in Europe. So yeah, we're hoping to be doing more train travel in Italy, but our first train ride in Spain.
Okay, so before we check out of the apartment, we're going to give you guys a little tour as usual.
As we always do.
And as you can probably hear.
Can you hear the squeaks?
The floors here are super squeaky. But anyways, this is the main entry to the apartment. And the first thing you come across is the kitchen.
The kitchen.
Yeah, so the kitchen's looking a little messy. We still need to tidy up a little bit.
Yeah, we're gonna have a quick salad, I think, before we even go.
Yeah, it was a good sized kitchen.
It was.
We cooked a lot while we were here. Mostly pastas.
Yes, this is where we cook them, right here.
Yeah. And then we had a washer, which was really nice. At long last, we were able to do laundry.
Yeah, that's like our first 2 places in Portugal. No laundry machine, and I don't like going to the laundromat too much. It's a bit of a hassle. It can be a hassle, yeah.
Just off of the kitchen, you have the bathroom, so let's Sam go in.
Okay, so yeah, this is just a very standard toilet, very standard bathroom, but by far the best feature was the shower. Great water pressure, like a fantastic amount of hot water. There wasn't a moment where I felt cold in there.
No cold shower.
And you know, in Europe in the winter, that is so appreciated.
Okay, let's continue this way.
Yeah.
So down the hall, we have Sam's parents' bedroom. We're hiding in there.
Yeah, we've been banishing them to the bedrooms for our tours.
And that brings us to the dining/living area.
Yeah.
Which is really nice.
This was a real highlight of this place. Like, just the size of this apartment was huge. Really big common space. And then also, like, just for sense of scale, let me just show you how high the ceilings are. Yeah, it's in a beautiful old building. It's great. Oh, also I should mention, after being cold in our first 2 destinations in Portugal,
radiators.
Oh, yeah, we had central heating in the home, guys. It was like, we weren't cold. We woke up, we were like, I could actually go to bed in a t-shirt.
Yeah.
Yeah. What a change. What a change.
That brings us to the last room, the bedroom. This is where we stay.
Yeah.
Massive mirror.
Yeah, it was cool.
And yeah.
Nice big bed.
Good.
Lots of space, drawers. And yeah, this apartment scores so highly in so many different ways. Like, first, everything that should be working was, especially in the winter, having heat was just incredible after being cold in the first 2 Portugal apartments. The other thing too that was great about this place was the location, right?
Yes, very central.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can actually give you a little peek at our view.
Yeah, if you look out here.
It was a nice neighborhood.
It was a nice neighborhood, and it was really close to, what was it, Opera Station?
Yes, we're right by the Royal Theatre.
Right by the Royal Theatre, right by a metro stop.
The churros place.
Yes.
Chocolateria San Ginés.
No wonder we were going there so often. we're like a stone throw away.
But yeah, that concludes the apartment tour. We're all packed up now. We're just gonna have a quick snack and then it's off to the train station. And wait till you see this train station. I think it's the most beautiful in all of Europe.
It's grand. I can't wait to go back. And the hungry hippo got what?
Lots of sandwiches. We got 3 sandwiches with Spanish ham and 2 empanadas with tuna. And I have to say, like, the prices when you're right by the departure gates, it's like
double.
Quadruple. I would even say quadruple. Like, they wanted to charge us 12 euros for a sandwich down there.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Here, we ended up paying 3.50, which is
so go to the outskirts of the station if you're gonna eat.
Like the far end.
Big bonus budget travel tip right there.
Yeah.
Anyways, why don't we take a little peek? You don't have to take a bite, but just show us. We're gonna eat those on the train.
Look at this.
Yeah, it looks awesome. It looks awesome.
And these massive empanadas.
Yep. Tuna. I know, we're gonna be well fed on the train.
I'm gonna start eating this now. I'm not even waiting till we
She told me if I don't hurry, I'm not gonna get a shot. Right? And how is it? Tasty. The meat is delicious. I've already had mine. So what do you guys think so far? We're noticing it's really spacious.
It is.
What do you think?
spacious And very aerodynamically designed.
Indeed, indeed. Look, we have all our bags up here. Mine's up on the other side.
So
And
this train's gonna go like a bat out of hell.
I hope so. I hope so. And I think we're gonna go into the dining cart and get a wine later. What do you think? Alright, so here's to our first train ride in Europe. Salute.
Not only a train ride, but a fast speed,
I know.
high-speed train ride.
It's got up to 230 now. I haven't checked for a while, but it might even be faster.
It's going. Really
It's going. And we got wine.
Cheers.
And we got a great place to drink it. And guess what? Our trip's only an hour and a half. We'll be there before we know it.
We might have time to finish our wine.
Yeah, that's right. Maybe. Forget 230. What's it at now?
285. We're gonna hit the sound barrier.
There you go.
Like this.
You know what I call something like this? This kind of train is a high performance gazelle. That's what I.
High-performance
This is
gazelle.
a high performance gazelle train.
I think it's got a high performance gazelle with gas.
With gas, yeah. Alright, popping open the wine.
It's time for dinner.
It's a
in the
do-it-yourself.
apartment.
It's a do-it-yourself dinner. We're hungry during siesta time. It's only like 3:50 in the afternoon, but we're having an early dinner.
Yeah, we're right across from the Central Market, but that closed at 3,
Closed
and the
at 3.
supermarkets are closed as
So
well.
picked up 4 kebabs here. We've got like chocolate desserts from the bakery, and then we have some local wine. From
Vino
Valencia.
tinto.
Vino tinto. What could be better, right?
Do you want a normal size one or a large one there?
I'll have a large, please.
Yeah,
Look.
and this is a normal size.
No, the ones with writing on them have normal size. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. This will be good.
Well, first bite.
Well, what's in it?
These are chicken. These are chicken. Is it good? Thumbs up.
So good enough for breakfast, I
tasty.
guess, with the baguette
It's
and
been a
the
few hours since lunch.
cereal.
Yeah, it has been.
Valencia. Valencia. Look, I'm dripping all over the place here. I'm just gonna keep that right there.
Alright guys, it is time for our post-dinner stroll.
Yeah, we
Had a big meal,
huge meal.
fat kebab.
Big fat kebabs, big fat chocolate pastries, and big glasses of red wine. So we need to burn some calories.
Yeah,
We're just-
so we haven't seen the town yet.
No.
I mean, we got here by taxi,
Yeah.
so we figured,
Go for a little stroll.
Let's enjoy.
Let's go for a little walk before it gets dark.
This city appears to have so many cool restaurants
I know. We're
and
gonna,
tapas bars.
especially where we're staying. We're gonna be eating really well, I'm sure.
Oh yeah. that was a very short walk because it has now started to rain, but
Yeah.
we came away with a few treats.
We did? You got yourself some artisanal jam?
No, it's not a jam.
Oh,
It's
I
a
thought you got jam.
spread. It's a spread made with black olives, walnuts, and spices.
Yeah, and I got some licorice all sorts, and I got 3 packs for my parents. They were $1.50 each. So that's gonna be a great way to end the day. So we will say goodbye for now, and we'll have food videos and a travel guide from Valencia soon. See you guys later.
Bye.